Create cinematic AI videos for free. Minimax Image to Video Guide, New. In this video, we will delve into the fascinating world of creating cinematic AI videos using Minimax, a powerful tool that revolutionizes the way we approach video production. Our purpose is to guide you through the process of harnessing AI technology to elevate your storytelling and visual creativity. Viewers can expect to learn practical techniques for utilizing Minimax effectively, enabling them to produce stunning videos that captivate audiences. The importance of AI tools in video creation cannot be overstated. They streamline workflows, enhance creativity, and open up new avenues for artistic expression. As we explore the capabilities of Minimax, we will highlight the exciting possibilities that AI-generated content brings to the table, from automating tedious tasks to generating unique visuals that push the boundaries of imagination. Join us on this journey to discover how AI can transform your video projects, making them not only more efficient but also more engaging and visually striking than ever before. To get started with Minimax for AI video generation, follow this simple step-by-step process. First, visit the Minimax website and create an account by signing up with your email address. Once registered, you can access the platform and take advantage of the free trial, which allows you to explore its features without any commitment. After logging in, familiarize yourself with the user interface. It's designed to be intuitive, making navigation easy for beginners. Start by checking out the tutorial section, which offers valuable insights into the various tools available. As you explore, pay attention to features like automated editing, scene generation, and customizable templates that can significantly enhance your video projects. Don't hesitate to experiment with different functionalities to see how they can elevate your content. By taking the time to explore Minimax, you'll unlock its full potential and discover innovative ways to create captivating AI-generated videos that stand out in today's digital landscape. Reference images play a crucial role in video creation, serving as visual guides that help maintain consistency and clarity throughout your project. One effective way to generate these reference images is by using Midjourney, an AI tool that excels in creating stunning visuals based on your prompts. By inputting specific descriptions, you can generate images that align closely with your vision, giving you greater control over the visual style and intricate details of your video. To craft effective prompts for image generation, be clear and descriptive. Include elements such as color schemes, moods, and specific objects or settings you want to feature. For instance, instead of simply asking for a forest, specify a misty, enchanted forest with glowing mushrooms. This level of detail will yield more accurate and inspiring results. Utilizing reference images not only enhances your creative process, but also ensures that your final video resonates with your intended audience, making it a vital step in achieving a polished and professional outcome. Creating effective prompts in Minimax is essential for achieving high-quality visuals that align with your creative vision. When crafting your prompts, it's significant to describe not only what you want to see, but also how you want it to be presented. For instance, instead of simply stating a sunset, you might say, a vibrant sunset over a calm ocean with hues of orange and pink reflecting on the water. This level of detail helps the AI understand your intent more clearly. Additionally, consider incorporating the concept of style transfer, which allows you to apply the visual characteristics of one image to another. This technique can dramatically enhance the aesthetics of your video, giving it a unique flair that stands out. Encouraging specificity in your prompts is crucial. The more precise you are about elements like color, mood, and composition, the better the AI can generate visuals that meet your expectations. By following these advanced tips, you can significantly elevate the quality of your video content in Minimax. Animating images using Minimax is an exciting way to bring your visuals to life. To begin, upload your chosen images to the platform by navigating to the Upload section and selecting the files from your device. Once your images are uploaded, the next step is to craft dynamic prompts that specify the type of movement you want to achieve. For instance, instead of a generic prompt like "make it move," you could say, "have the leaves sway gently in the breeze," or "animate the character to walk across the screen." This specificity helps the AI understand the desired action more clearly. Additionally, using active action words in your prompts is crucial. Words like dance, spin, or zoom convey a sense of energy and direction, resulting in more engaging animations. By focusing on these elements, you can create captivating animations that enhance your storytelling and keep your audience engaged, making Minimax a powerful tool for dynamic video creation. Enhancing video resolution after generation is a crucial step in achieving professional quality content, and one effective tool for this purpose is POPPYAI Video Upscaler. This software utilizes advanced AI algorithms to improve video quality, making your visuals sharper and more detailed. To begin, import your generated video clips into POPPYAI Video Upscaler by selecting the files you wish to enhance. Once imported, you can choose the desired resolution and settings that best suit your project. After making your selections, simply export the clips, and the software will process them to enhance their quality. It's important to note that upscaling is optional. However, the benefits are significant. By improving resolution, you can elevate the overall look of your video, making it more visually appealing and engaging for your audience. This step can be particularly beneficial for content intended for larger screens or high-definition platforms, ensuring that your hard work is showcased in the best possible light. Incorporating sound and music into your AI videos is essential for creating an immersive experience, and one excellent resource for this is 11 Labs, which offers a range of AI voiceover options. With 11 Labs, you can generate realistic voiceovers that match the tone and style of your video, adding a professional touch to your content. Once you have your audio ready, it's crucial to sync it effectively with your video clips. Proper synchronization ensures that dialogue, sound effects, and visuals work harmoniously, enhancing the overall impact of your storytelling. Additionally, don't underestimate the power of background music. It can significantly influence the mood of your video. When selecting music, be creative and choose tracks that complement the emotions you want to convey. Whether it's an upbeat tune for a lively scene or a soft melody for a reflective moment, the right background music can elevate your video and engage your audience on a deeper level. By thoughtfully incorporating sound and music, you can transform your AI videos into captivating experiences. Assembling your AI-generated content into a final video is an exciting process that brings your creative vision to life. To begin, use a video editor to compile your clips. Popular options include Adobe Premiere Pro, Final Cut Pro, or even user-friendly platforms like iMovie. Start by importing all your AI-generated clips into the editor, then arrange them on the timeline in the order that best tells your story. It's essential to pay attention to pacing and flow during this stage. A well-paced video keeps viewers engaged and ensures that the narrative unfolds smoothly. Consider the rhythm of your clips, transitions, and how they align with your audio elements. Additionally, don't hesitate to experiment with different editing styles, whether it's jump cuts, slow motion, or creative transitions. Trying out various techniques can lead to unique and captivating results. By embracing your creativity and refining the pacing, you can assemble a polished final video that effectively showcases your AI-generated content and resonates with your audience. In this video, we explored the essential steps for creating cinematic AI videos, highlighting several key takeaways. First, we discussed the importance of utilizing tools like Minimax and 11 Labs to generate stunning visuals and realistic voiceovers, which can significantly enhance your storytelling. We emphasized the value of crafting detailed prompts for image generation and animation, as well as the role of reference images in maintaining visual consistency. Additionally, we covered how to enhance video resolution using POPPYAI Video Upscaler and the significance of incorporating sound and music to create an immersive experience. As you embark on your journey to create captivating AI videos, remember to experiment with different editing styles and focus on pacing for a polished final product. If you found this content helpful, please subscribe, like, and share the video to support our channel. We invite you to explore related content on our channel for more tips and techniques to elevate your video creation skills. Thank you for watching, and happy creating.